In today's video, we're going to talk about an amazing case result that we had for a grand theft case in Broward County, Florida. My name's Adam Rossen, and I'm the owner of the Rossen Law Firm. We're a criminal and white-collar defense firm, and we've handled hundreds, if not thousands, of these cases. So Aaron was arrested for grand theft, and he was about 24, 25 years old, had never been arrested before. And he worked for this shipping and logistics company. And this was a pretty big company. It was not very well run. And a lot of employees within the company were basically, they had this scheme going on where they were creating these fake accounts and fake invoices and transferring money to themselves and making it look like these were legitimate, shipping and logistics. It was like trucking and, like these legitimate accounts and, legitimate services. And they caught Aaron first and they had him arrested. And after Aaron was arrested, that's when he found us and he contacted us and he hired us. And he made the very smart decision to hire the Rossen Law Firm. And so, when we're meeting with Aaron and we're talking about this with him, he's explaining to me how a lot of people in this company are doing it. And he was saying they have no idea how it's done. Now, just the fact that other people are doing it, is not really a defense, but we were very strategic about our plan. And so I wanted to get Aaron into the first time diversion program that they have for, lower level felonies, because this wasn't hundreds of thousands of dollars. This was about, I want to say about, maybe $15,000 to $25,000. So good amount of money, but, still something that, I was hoping to get into the diversion program. We had some problems. Okay. Well, the good part was his lack of criminal history, right? The problems were first that, the money, like I said, it was about, I think it was closer to about 25,000, and it was too high to get into that program. They really want the program around, 5,000 or less is kind of what it's designed for. And second, we needed victim approval in this case, in all types of cases when we're dealing with diversionary programs. And at first, this company they were very upset with Aaron. Obviously, it was a breach of their trust. And they wanted him to be prosecuted to the absolute fullest extent of the law. But when I'm talking with Aaron and we're, really discussing how this is pervasive in that company, he told me everything. Aaron, to his credit, he was open and honest with his attorneys. And he said, look, they have no idea how it's done. He goes, Adam, they want to know. And I didn't tell them. And they still have no idea. So we made a judgment call, and I talked to the prosecutors, and the prosecutors gave me permission to reach out to them. And I told them, I said, hey, listen, Aaron will give you a full statement. He'll tell you how it's being done. He'll tell you who else is involved. He'll tell you so that way you guys can close this loophole that you have going on. But we want the diversion program. And we pushed them really hard because we had something that they wanted that they could not get without us. And well, they had something that we wanted, right? That we could not get without them. And so they were on board with us. And we also had the issue though about the money. So from the first day Aaron hired me, I had him save up some money. And basically we talked to the prosecutors and they talked to the prosecutors, the alleged victim, that company. And they told him, they said, we want him in this program. So make allowances for, the restitution amount as long as we get paid, and make allowances for the total amount because we, more importantly than what happens to Aaron, we want to know so we can fix this. And luckily the prosecutor agreed. So we were all in agreement. We scheduled a meeting. We had a court reporter there. Aaron gave, a statement. He explained everything. The company was shocked. I mean, we had their president there, their vice president, we had some high up executives, and the look on their face, to see when this young kid is explaining all this, they were just dumbfounded. But they were extremely happy that now they fixed this, right? Aaron got the diversion program. He was in it for 12 months. He paid back all the money over the 12-month period, and the charges were dismissed. The case was expunged. And at the end of the day, Aaron was just a young kid who made a really stupid mistake or series of mistakes, but he was remorseful. And he wanted to achieve his best future and not have his life ruined, his future ruined, right? Because who's ever going to hire somebody with this on their background? So luckily we cleaned it up. We had the case dismissed. We cleaned his background, and he's now living his best future. If you ever need any help with any theft, fraud, criminal case at all, give us a call at the Rossen Law Firm, 754-206-6200. You can go find us on rossenlawfirm.com. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We love giving free information out there. We have tons of videos on all aspects of the law, and we hope to see you on the next one. Take care.